Hey, what is the future without technology? What is the future without innovation? And yes, sometimes in science fiction, like flying cars and 3D printed pizza, sometimes it's just automatic, digital, enhanced infrastructures. Not all branches, not all industries maybe are possibly can be enhanced by AI, by artificial intelligence. Others will be, are just open to it. Some just like these old, this is a maybe 100-year-old farmhouse here in the north. Don't know what that must have been cost then in those years. Maybe it's only 50 years old, I don't know, it looks old. But anyhow, building the future is at our hands, and it's at your initiative, at your ownership, so to say. You own the future, you own the time. What's happening with that is up to you. 24/7, every day, every hour, every week, you create the future and the industry that you want to. If there is something happening that you don't like, don't sit in the corner. Stand up, change the direction, and make it new. Join the future 24/7. Build it up again. That's why we said Build24. Join. Happy to talk to you. Happy to create the future together.